What's up, bro?
Okay. No need to be so up close. Personal with the viewers. Hey, y'all need to make a name for y'all. Because we just call you viewers.
Yeah.
It's kind of rude. You're, I wouldn't say fans. I don't know. Are y'all our fans? I don't know. Y'all just tolerate us, so.
Yeah.
And that's
She tolerates me every day.
true. Also, Court and Keiki, they are not with us right now. Because it's just us two at the sleepover, so.
We're all sick, minus me.
Yeah, if you hear me coughing,
She's
not bad. Did we spray this?
didn't. My mom said that she already sprayed it.
Yeah. You see the cookies.
And we have more if we need it.
What are you doing?
Ow.
Jin.
This is why you never see me cooking, y'all.
Okay, we need the other thing. Open it up.
I already did.
See, it's all got. Sorry that you can't see what we're doing. It's just hard to.
I'm recording on my iPhone right now.
Yeah, we're not fancy like other YouTubers.
Yeah, we don't have professional equipment.
We get to eat this. We can get salmonella or whatever.
Salmonella?
Salmonella. Yeah, salmonella. That's
Because
probably
this
not the
one's
name of
okay
the
to
song.
eat. That's okay to eat.
Those aren't. Wait, are they?
I don't know. I can't see.
These glasses are a little dark. They really are. Why am I the only one in?
And I'm short. You can only see my. Whoa.
By the way, I did cover my mouth.
Yeah.
Well, it's only us gonna be eating the cookies. So.
Yes. Why did I just do my?
Oh
neck
my
like
gosh,
that?
that's so annoying.
Why?
They're two different colors. I'm fine. This one's so weird shaped. Are you gonna help me lay out the cookies or not?
You say I'm a horrible space person.
Cause you really are.
I don't think I should spread the cookies, y'all.
At first I thought you said spray the cookies. Why would you spray the cookies? I'm so smart, y'all. As you can tell by our accents that we are
From the United States.
I
really want to eat this part. I don't eat it.
like it salmonella.
Salmonella.
Salmonella. Wait, shouldn't we freak it down?
Well, depends on if they're different. Okay, gin.
350.
350. Yeah, that's the thing.
Alright. We'll let it hang for a good solid few minutes. And we're super mature as well.
She isn't.
Wow.
Well, I didn't say anything. See, y'all. Do y'all like my anime? Keiki made it for me.
She's obsessed with anime. Help me.
Post in the comments what your favorite anime is. Give me some good ones to start watching. Because I don't have that many.
I'm gonna get my phone. You can talk to the viewers.
Okay. She has left me alone with y'all.
Yeah, because I need to get my phone to time.
Okay. So y'all. I'm gonna take over like 3.0, 5.0? I don't know anymore. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, you can see the reflection in my.
Oh, that's so weird.
You can see the reflection in my sunglasses. That's kind of funny. See it, y'all.
Up, y'all.
If I get salmonella, you're getting it with me.
All right. Cheers. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
How long do we cook these for?
11 to 12 minutes.
How many? 12? I say we do 12. So you say 10 to 14. Oh yeah. So we're doing this one. And we're also doing the nestle. This one's better, in my opinion. As a, like, actually baked. But these are, actually no, these are really good to eat. Probably not safe, but these are safer to eat. But
Yeah, because they actually say on the package you
safe
can eat
to
them.
eat.
And
What's that warm?
it's life.
That's true. Life is warm. That sounded so weird. Life is warm.
What?
That's
Wait.
my life saying life
Wait
is
a
warm.
minute.
Mine is actually you poop a lot. That's my life saying. That's what I live by. You poop a lot.
Tell them.
Oh, Court's life motto is I farted in the shower.
Yeah.
Quotas on that, y'all. Why am I doing all the talking? It's your channel. Well, it's actually our channel, but
I was the one that made it. I was the one that made it first.
Are you okay? I think for 1 second. Literally like 1 to 5 seconds. Under 5 seconds.
I'm fine. I don't know what you're talking about.
See, wait. How long do they need? Yeah.
Maybe we should put them in right now.
Depends if it's heated up enough. Let's go, y'all.
Don't burn my iPad. I would like to keep my iPad alive.
You'll be fine. Wait, isn't it supposed to say on the...
It's on the upper oven. It doesn't when I say.
I'm alright, y'all. Is it warm enough? No. Ooh, can I raid your pantry?
Sure. I'll take the viewers. Hello.
Just so y'all know, she has saltine crackers.
I'm scared for my life.
I love saltines.
This is also very organized. My mother is very organized. We're fine. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm clumsy. No. 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 No.
She has easy cheese.
No.
Oh my gosh, she just me back to elementary. Look how skippy. Wait, is it the... No, it's a crumb. It's a creamy. Why the creamy?
My parents' preference.
Y'all, we can have hot cereal. This sounds actually really good.
Oh my gosh. Is the oven hot enough? Oh gosh, excuse me. Hey, you can't say anything. You do it all the time. Example. Prime example.
It's bread. It's sourdough.
Dance the stage. Yeah.
Is the oven hot out? Yeah. Okay, y'all. So we're about to put the cookies in.
No.
You know they can't see you.
Oh really?
The fact that they couldn't see you and you're just going, God. Yeah. No, hold on. Let me tell you what you should have
No, Pena. I have a big fat glove on.
Save y'all. Okay, let's put the cookies in.
Maya.
Open the freaking oven.
Hey, nice words on the check.
Nice.
Show them what you're doing.
Nice words on
So we have less. Whoa, Siri, simmer down. So we shall see y'all in 12 minutes. Oh,
The cookies are actually done. At the oven.
I know they smell. They do smell really.
Oh.
They smell really good, y'all. Okay, so how do you turn off the oven?
Move.
That's not all we have. Whoa. Girl, simmer down and turn off the heat. Okay, where are your mittens? That you were going to the poor viewers.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Sorry that I was trying to adjust y'all, but she just threw it at me. Is this as high as it can go? Yeah.
Ow.
Ooh, it's warm.
Hold on, put it on here, put it on here.
Okay. It's warm, y'all. Why would you do that?
I've gotten electrocuted on the tongue before.
No, girl.
Yeah, I thought I was trying to pick something up and I had my computer charger and
These look real good, girl. Don't know if what the easy way will be.
that will be the easy way.
There you go. There's the cookies. See, there's Nestle.
Nestle is over here.
Nestle's
Nestle's
and
over here and then the other
The other one.
Cookie
So
dough.
y'all.
That one.
The little Pittsburgh one.
Some milk.
Yeah. We're gonna dip in the milk. Because that's the
pronounced-
only good
You
way.
pronounced it wrong.
That's
It's
the only.
milk.
That's the only good way to eat them. Down in Ohio, red like Ohio. It's simmer.
I'm smart, I
We
promise.
gotta get some cooks, y'all. We'll grab the poor viewers. They're staring at the oven.
It's beautiful. Oh, I'll give you some light too.
This ain't giving me no light.
That one's
Do you
not.
want the medieval times?
That one's not a good one.
No, it isn't.
Here, hold the poor viewers.
That's my thing. Do you want this one open or not?
No, these two are the best.
Okay. See, there's cups.
They don't smell like soap either.
Oh, that's good. What? Your other cups smell like soap.
Yeah, some of my cups smell like pure soap.
Okay.
Or they just have milk stains in them. Because I drink a lot of milk.
It's true, she does.
Okay, that's annoying.
Then why were you doing
I
that?
don't know. Okay.
Okay, y'all. Should we get the
No, we should. No, we
or
should show
the-
them. We should show them how different our milk portions are.
Oh yeah. See how mine's right there.
Mine's all the way to the top.
I like the milk is just gonna fall out.
No, it won't. You want to know why?
You're gonna drink it.
She's
the
grabbing
power
of the straw. Okay. I always drink these straws. I don't know why.
What time is it, Granny? How do we get the cookies without burning ourselves?
We let it cool down.
No, I don't. Oh my god. The fact that she gave us plates. Who needs plates? Not me. I terrify my friends.
I'm biting my lip.
Why?
I don't know.
You're trying to raise them up? You know, that was cringy. Why did I do that? Okay, anyway.
I'm waiting.
I want this cookie.
You gotta twist them. Why is it hot?
No,
Hot.
no, it's just a milk come on.
It's mushy.
This
So-
is the Pittsburgh man person thing.
Okay, we got it.
Actually, it tastes real good.
It all tastes good.
All right, y'all. Joke off them. Okay, we're gonna dip it.
I'm actually really busting. No!
How will you rate these Pittsburgh ones?
10 out of 10. Definitely would recommend.
Let's see the Nestle now. The Nestle.
I don't think I tried the Nestle. Well, I have many times, but.
It just fell in my milk. It just fell in my milk.
Drink it and reveal the cookie.
No, I don't like the milk. I don't like drinking it. I want my cookie. I want my cookie. I'm also thirsty. I need a drink. No, that's milk. Fine, I'll try it. Actually, it doesn't taste as bad. I guess I did just chug that whole thing to get one little bit of cookie.
Perfecto.
So y'all, that was just baking cookies.
Yeah. Excuse me. Sorry, viewers. You can't be talking.
I really can, 'cause I haven't burped that much on camera. I've burped a lot off camera.
Again, you can't be talking.
I like eating cookies.
Shall we do the outro? Since
I
we
guess
have
we
nothing
should.
done, we shall sink into the abyss. No longer alive. Okay, that's it.